Yes, we have Mr. Greg all the way from
Colorado, United States.
So today you are here, this is your second hair transplant, I heard.
Yes.
Okay, can you share with us about your journey and how you feel overall?
I really liked my first treatment here, so I came back because I was very bald. I look bald now, but I was very bald and I was unhappy. And so I talked with a friend, and he said one of his friends is a medical professor at Harvard, which is the best medical school in the country, United States.
Definitely Harvard.
And he said, talk to this medical professor. And so I did, and he said, I researched the surgeon, I researched the clinic, everything is like top board. And he said, I trusted, and he came here. He's much younger than me, so he was less bald. And his results, he showed me pictures before and after. It was amazing, and he is in his 30s. I'm older, and not giving you my age. Came back for my second one because the first one, I was so bald, the doctor made my hairline come maybe 3 to 4 centimeters closer, because it was way up here.
Okay.
He redid my hairline, and my hair has been growing and growing and growing all year, but he did not do my crown because he had to do so much on the front to make my front look better. So I come back now for the second transplant to do the crown, and I know it's going to look great. I am confident that the team here is doing a wonderful job, and I will have full hair for a man my age, as the doctor said.
You look very good as
Thank
well.
you.
But since you have had your previous experience with us,
Yes.
and now you are doing it again, so meaning to say you have already seen our results. It's the right thing that you have chose. So because of the professor.
Yes.
So here you agree here.
Yes, and because I felt comfortable here last time too, and I felt the service was over the top good. In the United States, I got a couple of quotes, and they said, you come in, we do the procedure, bye-bye. Here, you come in, do the procedure, come back, they see you, and then all year they answer questions that I had, and I wasn't just left on my own, whereas in the United States, I would be on my own, looking on Google and getting wrong information probably. So much better service here than the United States. It's safe, it's clean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's most important.
Yeah.
And value for your money.
Yes, very reasonable.
Okay, thank you for your review and on our treatments and on our procedure.